Welcome to A History in Color. Here, we delve into the depths of history, exploring stories both triumphant and tragic. Join us as we uncover the forgotten narratives, celebrate resilience, and confront the uncomfortable truths of our past. In the bustling heart of Tulsa, Oklahoma, there once thrived a community like no other. It was a place where dreams took flight on the wings of ambition, where perseverance carved paths through adversity, and where success knew no bounds. This was the vibrant tapestry of Black Wall Street. Picture it, the early 20th century, a time when racial segregation cast its dark shadow over much of America. But amid this backdrop of discrimination and inequality, a beacon of hope emerged in the Greenwood district of Tulsa. Here, African-American entrepreneurs, professionals, and families built a haven of prosperity and pride. The streets hummed with life as businesses flourished, from bustling markets to thriving banks. Entrepreneurial spirits soared high, and dreams took shape in the form of brick and mortar. Black-owned enterprises spanned the gamut, offering everything from tailoring to barbershops, from theaters to law firms. Wealth circulated within the community, nurturing its growth and fostering a sense of unity. But the prosperity of Black Wall Street wasn't solely measured in dollars and cents. It was a testament to the resilience of a people who refused to be defined by the limitations imposed upon them. Despite the systemic barriers they faced, they built a world where talent and hard work spoke louder than prejudice. Yet, like all tales of triumph, the story of Black Wall Street was not without its trials. In the spring of 1921, hatred reared its ugly head in the form of violence and destruction. The Tulsa Race Massacre tore through Greenwood, leaving devastation in its wake. Homes and businesses were reduced to ashes, families were torn apart, and lives were lost. The scars of that dark chapter would linger for generations to come. But even in the face of such tragedy, the spirit of Black Wall Street endured. From the ashes rose a renewed determination to rebuild and reclaim what was lost. Brick by brick, the community rose again, a testament to the indomitable human spirit. Today, the legacy of Black Wall Street serves as a reminder of both the heights of achievement and the depths of injustice. It stands as a beacon of hope and a call to action, inspiring future generations to strive for a world where equality, opportunity, and justice reign supreme. And though the physical remnants may have faded with time, the spirit of Black Wall Street lives on in the hearts and minds of those who refuse to be silenced by adversity. For as long as there are dreams to chase and barriers to break, the legacy of Black Wall Street will continue to inspire and empower us all. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of history. If you found this content insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to A History in Color for more engaging discussions on the past, present, and future. Until next time, remember, understanding our history is the key to shaping a more just and equitable world. Take care, and see you soon.